Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I am back with a Michael $5 grab bag. So I'm so excited to see what's in this box. Last time we had shown you boxes where we had Christmas items, and this time I think these will have Valentine's items. I was lucky enough to find one. These fly off the shelves real fast. Last time we were so lucky to get 4 boxes for each of ourselves. So if you want to see that video and unboxing, make sure to check out my Michael's Grab Bags playlist. So let's open this up. Alright guys, have a look. Let's pull it to the side. Okay, the first item I'm pulling up is a ceramic little paint kit with a unicorn. So this is what it looks like. How cute is that? This retails for $4.99, and that already paid for a box. We have a banner, $4.99. Happy Valentine's. You can definitely reuse the other elements in different projects and also respell the words for other things that you would like to use if you don't want to use it for Valentine's. So that's that. I see stickers. So we have these Happy Valentine's stickers, $2.99. I'm so happy. That's so cool. And we have more than one. We have 3 of those. Some fun little stick pins or sticks that have the XOs on it. So this is what it looks like. They're toppers for cupcakes. You can use this for Happy Mail and just remove the toothpick and layer it with some foam dots and put it on card making too. So that is $2.99. More of these cute little cake toppers. It says Sweet Love and XO. So far so good guys. I love this $5 box. And then we have these adorable pom-pom craft kits. These are so cute. I think Emmy and some of her friends will have fun making these. So that's a good find. And we have, oh how cool, a ceramic color in mug kit. Retails for $5.99. That is awesome. Look at that mug. And it comes with all the paint and everything. So really cool. Let's see what else is in here. This says a fold-out card. Yes, we have a template. So I love these pop-up cards. I've shown a tutorial how to make it, but if you can buy the pop-up card and just mat it with your pictures and mail it off. So this is what it would look like. My battery's dying. So this would pop out, but the mechanism's not in here. So it's not really a pop-out card, it's a fold-out card. So my tutorial was showing a pop-up card. But anyway, this is so cute. Perfect again for Happy Mail. I am loving this box. There is more stuff in here. We have some of this red and white mesh. You can use it for Valentine's, for Christmas, and other crafty occasions. $9.99. Celebrate it. So cool. Even for journal making. A lot of us love to make that more recently, so I think you can use that as well. We have a box here. Oh, these are fun. These are like the drop boxes where you can put your Valentine letters for the kitties. Small mailbox, $4.99. We have the red one. There is a white one. A couple more of the reds. Let's see. More of the reds here. I'll just put it there. And the white one. Alright guys, here's what we have so far. Let's pull out the next item. We have some of these adorable gift bags. I love this. It says $4.99 and you get how many? It looks like we have about 5 or 6 of the bags. We have 6, so that's a good deal. We have 2, 3, 4 of these. That is awesome. We have another one of the unicorn. friend Solena will really love that. And how cute is this? We have our little baggies, and always fun for Happy Meal and for the kids too in school. $2.99 for 24 pieces. That's a great deal. So that's that. I see more of these, more to share. We also have our table covers, and these retail for $3.99. Love this. I love the hearts on that. We have 3 of those. And another one of the cute little unicorn kits. More. This time we have these treat bags in a different design. That is cool. I love the variety in here. More tablecloth. So we have 5 of those. Another red box. Good for storing our crafty goods as well. And what do we have? We have a candy mold. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I wonder if this will work with the resin projects as well. Let me know if you've ever tried these little silicone candy molds for that. So we have that. It has some cute little phrases on it. We have more than one of those. How cool. Oh my gosh. There we go. Tablecloth. A couple more, I think. Oh no, 3 more of these. So I'm definitely going to be sharing this with some crafty friends. Oh, this is different. Awesome. This looks really cool. I like that this is different from, you can do layers of chocolate. That is really nice. And we have a cute little felt banner, which I love to use for decorating journals or little crafty projects. That's really awesome. What do we have here? Oh my gosh. We have, this is so cute. So I love putting banners like this by our front doorway. We have a little window where you can put little signs like this. So this is cute. We have another one of those. And the final item in our box is this cute little wooden tag that says love with the lucky shamrock there. What a fun grab bag. This was worth the $5 in my opinion. I can use all these items and share them with some crafty friends and family friends. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment below. Let me know what you found at your Michaels, if you got any of these boxes. And also let me know which one was your favorite item. Thanks again for watching. Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.